Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix SOS only issue on your iPhones. Imagine a day when we cannot use most basic functions of our iPhones, such as making calls or surfing the internet. No, I'm not talking about any apocalypse. This is something that can happen now with the SOS only issue on your iPhones. This is an issue faced by many iPhone users, so in this video I will help you understand what SOS only means on iPhone and how to fix the error. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to turn on and off your cellular data. If a SIM card is inserted on your iPhones and no cellular service is available, there might be a silly issue with your device. You can try to turn off cellular data and then turn it on again to see if the issue is still there. If this still doesn't work, then you have to do is turn on and off your airplane mode. This method lets you quickly restart your wireless connection apart from Bluetooth. This can thus help you to turn off SOS only on your iPhone. To doing this, you have to simply open your control center and you can see your option airplane mode. Simply tap on it and enable it. Then wait for a few seconds and then disable it back. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can simply fix these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown, shut on your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is reinsert your SIM card. Although rare, network connectivities can be caused by a physical SIM card issue. In such cases, you can take the SIM out, put it back inside and see if that helps. However, if you are using eSIM on your iPhone, don't reset it unless your carrier advises. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset your network settings on iPhone. Since none of the methods help you to turn off SOS only on your iPhones, let's erase the connections it has made. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix SOS only issue on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.